Guys, some of the trades I took this week. This was Tuesday the 7th. This one was pretty easy. It was a small range, so I used a 30-point stop loss, but the first breakout candle on the 5-minute was still above VWAP, so I went ahead and skipped that trade. But once we did get the break below VWAP, I went ahead and entered for on my 5.5 level. And as you can see here, I put right there and we got tagged in. And then pretty much went straight to TP. It took about 25 minutes to get to TP, and then we pretty much just went straight down from there. And then here is Wednesday the 8th. This one was also pretty easy. We had a small range as well, so I still went with my 30-point stop loss. As soon as this one closed, I went ahead and put my limit order on the 5.5 point level. I got tagged in on the next candle and went straight to TP. Then this is Thursday. Thursday was a little bit of a weird trade. It pretty much would have worked either way. So the first breakout candle, I entered a limit order here on the 5.5 level, but we didn't get tagged in. It was right above it. So then it went over 50 points, so I usually skip those. It went 60 points, so it wasn't too far from what is considered too far, 65 points. We did get another retest, and then I did take this. So when this 5-minute candle closed, I went ahead and put a limit order here. Also a small range, so I put a 30-point stop loss, and we went straight to the take profit. We were under VWAP, so it worked out. This one's kind of tricky because usually when they come back, they'll usually just go to the other side of ORB or just kind of play around. But other than that, it was a pretty smooth week. We had 3 wins in a row. I was down, I think, 2 trades from last week, so we recovered and we actually are in profit. Friday, we did not take any trade, obviously, because of all this. So we obviously just went ahead and skipped that. But this is pretty much the breakdown of this past week. We won every single trade. I don't trade Mondays, so I only traded Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But pretty much everything was pretty easy. Nothing really too complicated. It's a pretty easy strat. Going from my 1 to 1.08, so it covers commissions and everything. So it's a true 1-to-1. So I'm risking 300 to make 300 after commissions and fees. But this is my indicator that I created that I've been using to measure out the orb and give me the information quickly. I have levels that are here I can change and everything, but this is the strategy that's been working well so far. If you have any questions about the strategy or anything, I'll have a link to my Discord channel and you can check it out there. I've been backtesting it with really good results. I started off with a 66% win rate, then got it to about a 70% win rate.